Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate focus feature on Windows 11. So if you need to focus while you're working, you can try to turn off notification or activate do not disturb. But if that feature is not enough, you can try to use a focus option or feature on Windows 11. First thing to do, you can try to search on the settings, open the settings, and here we go. If you notice, there's a focus reduce distraction. You can click here. You can try to activate by click on start focus session, and you can adjust the time or the session duration here. You can try to tick all this box, show the timer in the clock app, hide badges or taskbar, hide flashing, and turn on do not disturb. So this is very useful if you working full time with your PC or your laptop. Feel free to try to activate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.